3 years ago, I sold everything I owned to try and travel the world by motorcycle. It hasn't all been rainbows and unicorns, but I wouldn't trade this life for anything.
So sadly, my remote control for all the cameras, I guess, just got too wet the other day. And so I have one camera. Rue and I are on our way to Ayampe, then on our way to Cuenca for some work on the bike, and then we are going to head into Peru. So, nice coastal ride today to Ayampe. ¿Viste mar? No sé. Sí. ¿Y izquierda? Ok, gracias.
Entonces es un mango house. Es en el otro lado.
Otro,
Sí, es aquícito. Este es Isamar, del mismo dueño.
Okay.
Pero en el otro lado, la lúcuma queda en el mango house.
Yo necesito registrar aquí. No.
No, aquí no, es en el otro lado.
So back in.
Sí, yo voy también para allá.
Okay. Hang on, Rue. But this lovely lady, don't want to end up in the drain because she's gonna get the fuel going. Okay. ¿Acá?
Ahí en la casa.
Ok,
Ahí es lúcuma. Ahí es mango house y ahí está la habitación lúcuma.
ok, Lucama. Ok, gracias. I still am not certain where she said. ¿Cierto?
Sí,
Sí, ¿qué?
sí pues. Ya, yo voy.
so I don't have to park my bike in the street. Okay.
Today has turned out to be nice and sunny. We haven't had a lot of this in Canoa, but let's take you on a tour of the mango house here in Ayampe. As soon as I figure out how this, there we go. So we walk in, and I've got an awesome outdoor kitchen. Stuff here is like brand new too. And then the stairs are a little scary for me. They're big spiral stairs. Well, just look who's waiting for me. Hi, Rue. Yes. And this whole balcony isn't mine, but I can see a glimpse of the ocean out there. We walked there a few times. Yes. My little sitting area. Mosquito screen. And then, yeah. I wish I would have found Ayampe before I found Canoa. I would have spent a lot longer here, but I like the vibe of this town. Okay, let's go for a walk through Ayampe. You ready, Rue? Let's go. I don't know, Rue, should we take the beach? Let's go this way. It's okay, let's go. We'll take the long way, Rue. We actually have a beautiful sunny day. Come on. Buenas. Ayampe. And I think this is where they have Sunday services. Oh, it's okay, Rue. Come on, come. Rue. This is the first town I've seen where everybody loves dogs. Come on, Rue. And I don't see any starving dogs. Come on, Rue. Rue. We are headed to Main Road to see if I can find a friend of mine I met in Canoa. He and his partner live around here somewhere. Should be able to find it. I don't know if we're going the right way. Let's take this path, Rue. Come on. Let's go. I don't think I can get lost here, but this is me we're talking about. See the word spondylus everywhere. The route I've taken along the coast is the Ruta de Spondylus, which is actually the Pan American Highway, but it's called the Ruta Spondylus because back in the day they used to trade these shells, spondylus shells, which are really unique shells. Yeah, so that's about it. Now, which way do we go? Have a juice. Woo. Rue, come. Hola. ¿Qué batitos?
¿Batidos?
Sí.
¿En leche, en agua?
¿Con leche?
Sí.
¿Y tienes banana?
Sí.
Perfecto, gracias.
¿Un batido de leche con banana?
Sí, gracias. And my fresh banana milkshake. Ecuador just pulled in. BMW, KTM. Yeah, I'm not sure what the other one is, but hola. Rue, come.
Primer día de pandemia, ¿no? O sea, solo en los lugares que me obligaban a hacer.
Okay. And that concludes our walking tour of Ayampe. I'm sure I might have missed some, but right now I want one of these. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. So the ride to Ayampe from Canoa was fairly uneventful, so I didn't really include much of that in there. I love Ayampe, and I wish I had more time in Ecuador because I honestly would have spent a month there just chilling. Love the vibe of the town. Peru had lots of fun. It's one of the few towns I've ever been in where everybody loves dogs, everybody has dogs. No starving dogs. So if you get a chance to head to Ayampe, sorry, I highly suggest that you do so. Anyway, thanks again for following along. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks. See you later.